A charge of 10 electrostatic unit is placed at a distance of 2 centimeter from a charge of 40 electrostatic unit and 4 centimeter from another charge of minus 20 electrostatic unit. The potential energy of the charge 10 electrostatic unit in erg. Now see here, 10 ESU is placed at a distance 2 centimeter from 40 ESU and 10 ESU is placed at a distance 4 centimeter from minus 20 ESU. Now potential energy of this 10 ESU charge that is placed at a point. So potential energy of 10 ESU, that is UA, is equal to QA into VA, where QA is 10 electrostatic unit. Here ESU is the electrostatic unit or CGS unit of charge. Now potential at a point. Potential of 40 ESU at a point, that is K QB upon distance 2 centimeter plus K QC and distance 4 centimeter. So 10 into SI value of K is 9 10 raised to 9 and CGS value of K is 1 unit. So 1 into QB, that is 40 ESU upon 2. CGS value of K 1, QC with sign minus 20 ESU upon 4. So 10 in bracket 20 minus 5, it means 15 into 10. So 150 and CGS unit of potential energy is erg. So answer is 150 erg. Thank you.